The issue with so many industrial paint training is they charge so high for the complete paint manufacturing, from the fundamental process to the end process, making it an average person to spend all the money they would have used to start paint business immediately to paying for a course, which makes some of us who can afford the professional industrial manufacturing paint training miss out. Not only this, those programs only covers theory. No one is actually giving people the intuition and guidance that they need to turn their theory into skill. Through hands-on practical, this problem in the paint industry led us to create a 10-day paint maker, the world's first ever speed learning program for inspiring paint makers. Throughout this course of this program, you will learn every essential aspect of professional starting a paint manufacturing business. Even if you don't have any idea about chemicals and huge money to start a big scale paint production business. The best part, our training cost is just the same amount that you can use to buy data on your phone for a month. Here is what you will learn on a day-to-day basics. In day one, it's all about your foundation and fundamental. What tools do you need and how to start producing paints and getting to sell your paint product immediately. Day two is about knowing the process in setting up your paint manufacturing business immediately, like how to start in your current state without spending much to own a paint manufacturing factory business. Day three, you're already getting to know how to start selling your paint production even without producing yet. Day four is all about production process of different types of paint, where we'll be showing you live, practical, how to make the top selling paint that you can start making money from while producing them and getting customers to buy your paint products. Day five is cover the real world process of making your paint production containers stand out from the crowd. You are going to learn everything about branding to scale your paint product to the top from anywhere you are. It is being seen. Day six, contracts. Learn how to get contracts. Even as a new paint maker, we'll teach you the top secret to getting contracts. What millions? Learn how to convince anyone to give you a painting job and learn how to get anyone to trust you for the first time. That will enable you get any painting supply job. Day 6 and 7 is all about going out there to showcase your product. Let's take your paint product and show to people that will actually blow their mind. Not to explain, I will show you exactly how landing this job when the conversation that lead me leaving my state to another state for a paint contract job worth millions of naira. On top of all that, we are also going to cover advanced color course. This is another skill that gives you the ability to retain your customers and make people trust your paint brand. It will also make you sell more because you can produce varieties of colors. Finally, day 10, you will turn your dream to reality as you will finally produce your first paint as we guide you behind the scene with our instruction, making sure you get it right during production. Starting on the path from turning passion into a lifelong career, the thing that makes 10 Days Paint Making program different from all the online programs and Paint Academy out there is real world implementation. Each day, you are given an exercise designed to level up your paint skills. And at the end of these 10 days, you would have produced your first ever paint product. So right now, you are faced with a choice. You can continue trying to watch skills by behind on watching videos on YouTube, trying to find the answers to all your questions you've been asking, or you can still buy data on your phone for a month by just one time payment when you enroll in 10 days paint making, where you can take your skills from immature to professional. If this sounds like the program you've been looking for, then click below in the link in the description and enroll today.